Hey everyone, welcome to the InnoChef channel. Today, we're counting down my top 5 Asian kitchen tools.
Number 5.
Bamboo cutting boards are an excellent choice. Bamboo is renewable and great for the environment. It's very sanitary material, it resists water penetration, and that means less bacterial growth on your cutting board. The durable surface resists knife scarring and will last a long time. It's beautiful, gives you Asian street cred, and very low maintenance, just oil it or wax it occasionally.
Number 4.
A gas stove is fantastic. You can see how hot it is because there's actual fire underneath it. It works during a power outage, so you can boil your water, cook your food, even without electricity. Another great advantage is natural gas is currently less expensive than electricity. Also, fire is just cooler, the opposite of what fire actually is, which is hot. Just be safe out there, keep a fire extinguisher nearby in case you're deep frying.
Number 3.
The Chinese Cleaver is a heavy, wide-bladed knife. It's a multitasker. You can chop, slice, dice, and more. Chop straight through bones with ease. The most common sizes are numbered 1 to 3, 1 being the largest. It's also great for transporting food from your cutting board straight into your wok. Everybody looks badass carrying a cleaver. No one's gonna question your knife skills, or else.
Number 2.
The wok has been in use for over 2,000 years. China claims to have invented the wok, while the Mongolians brought them all over Asia. The general design is a circular pot with a round bottom, typically made of cast iron or carbon steel. High heat cooking is the name of the game. You can steam, stir fry, or deep fry in this thing. It will last forever and will give you that signature wok hay or breath of the wok flavor. Before we get to number 1, please help Fernando out and hit that thumbs up button, and please subscribe to my channel.
Number 1.
Slippers may surprise you as an entry on this list, however they are the most crucial thing for an Asian kitchen. Hard floors take its toll on your body, you'll have sore feet, and you'll have cold feet, and it will hurt your back over time. Touching the thermostat in your home is a big no-no in an Asian household, so you need warm feet, so slippers will help you out with that. Last but not least, slipper is the ultimate in self-defense and disciplining your children. So that's it for my top 5 list of Asian kitchen tools. Let me know in the comments what your top 5 Asian kitchen tools are and what can you not live without. See you next time.